going to be making a natural goat's milk soap today, and this is my patchouli wood soap. And I've actually had a lot of requests for a patchouli soap, but this blend actually sells way better and people love it so much. This is a blend of patchouli. It has Litsea in it, cedarwood, and a tiny bit of clove, and it's just a really wonderful blend. So that's what we're going to be making today. It is kind of a fast pour. The patchouli blend, the essential oil blend, I have it all mixed together here. I have a little bit of kaolin clay in there to help anchor the scent, but look how dark that patchouli is. I have that all mixed in there, and it does move a little quickly. I'm going to leave the bottom portion of it uncolored, but I'm going to be putting some spent coffee grounds in it for some gentle exfoliation. And in the top quarter, I'm going to be putting some alkanet root powder in that to give it some color. Now that alkanet will make a purple if you're doing an infusion, but with it is, it kind of like just with the powder in it, kind of makes it a burgundy brownish, like a deep brown purplish color with flecks in it. So it's really a nice addition to the soap. So go ahead and get started on this. I'm going to be using my homemade mold. Someday I'll talk my husband into making me a wood one, but this works fine for now. So let's go ahead. I think I got everything ready. Let's go ahead and get started.